Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin with a flat preset and a clean reference track so you hear changes clearly. Once done, bypass loudness or surround effects and set volume to normal listening level. Next, sweep a narrow band while boosting plus 6 dB to find resonances. This lets you detect muddy or harsh spots. Make only small adjustments, typically plus or minus 3 dB, and log each change. This immediate hands-on step prevents guesswork and gives you a map of frequency problems to fix in the next stage. Now you focus on balance. Reduce offending frequencies before boosting others so you avoid pumping energy. You should use narrower Q values for surgical cuts, around 1, 0 to 2, 5, then widen bands for musical shaping. For the low end, tighten 2200 Hz to control boom. For midrange, tame 200 Hz to 5K Hz to clarify vocals and instruments. Once balanced, apply gentle shelving boosts of 1 to 3 dB for sparkle or warmth, and a /B compare free. Finish by auditioning the result on several playback systems to ensure consistency across devices. What sounds good on studio monitors can be too bright on earbuds. Make final tweaks with automation and gentle low or high-pass filters to remove rumble or hiss. If something sounds worse, don't hesitate to mute the band or reset it and rescan by soloing the track, because small errors compound quickly. As a fallback, revert to a flat preset and redo the process with smaller steps to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.